First firework of 2022.
Hey up.
Here we go. We're away. Hey up. Yes!
Oh, no.
Shit! Oh, there we go. Fucking hell!
That's the small one. That's a short fuse.
Run. Straight up.
It's a clothesline. Don't run into it.
We're going for a big one.
I feel like this one's not going to lift.
Oh my
That sounded good. Whoa!
Look at that one!
Oh. Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
Right, we're away. Oh, you bastard. Fucking hell.
Oh.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, that.
This is weird.
The other one's in my hand.
Oh. No! What just went down my neck? Fucking hell. Ow.
What are you doing?
The stuff landed on my head. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Yes!
Ah!
There it is. Oh. Hey. Yeah. Oh my god! Not again! Fuck's sake. Where was the bang? These are making me fucking nervous, these. Oh my god!
Alright.
Just do
Fine. Right, alright.
Yeah.
Just for context,
Yeah.
this one snapped in half.
Fucking there's no stick on it.
Oh wow.
Right, everyone's going to have to move me. Does that work? Put it in the garden.
Oh, where's my...
Suicide. Right.
Oh my god!
Some water.
It's on fire, isn't it? Wait on.
Anywhere.
Completely missed.
This is a bit close, isn't it?
Fucking hell.
The fuck was that?
Was that it?
Oh, it's up there.
Oh, Christ.
There it goes. Fucking hell, Aaron, how close do you want it?
No,
Yeah.
no. Don't.
I want me fucking money back.
Me? Oh. Oh, bloody.
Oh, bastard twat.
Aaron, move.
Oh my god.
Aaron, move.
Oh, fucking hell, I'm ready to eat myself. Oh, Christ.
What the fuck?
Wow.
Yes.
It's supposed to be 25 metres from these.
Oh, yeah.
25 centimetres. Oh my god, I thought that wasn't going anywhere.
No.
We're doing these quick. Get out the way. Wait. Oh.
Oh, this is a good one.
Yeah, I can feel it. Hey.
Fucking hell. You nearly lit the bottom of the firework.
Bitch. Oh, not again.
What am I getting them from there again?
These are the best ones.
Christ. Oh. Here we go.
Finally.
Get up there. Oh, look at that.
You're getting a bit too cocky with your walk away.
Can't pull my trousers up.
Wow.
That was weird.
Ooh. I like the ones that linger. Hey, up. Oh. coming this
Go on,
way.
go on, go on,
They're
go
coming
on.
this way. I think we're back on form. It is. Oh my god, plane! Oh, we've got a good view.
Ow! My eye!